students. Today we are going to discuss the two-column bank and cash book. As in the previous video, we prepare single column cash book. Now we have to prepare double column cash book. Normally cash and bank column is prepared. When bank and cash column is prepared, it tallies the bank balance as well as cash balance. In this video, we are going to solve some questions which are based on double column cash book. So let's start. So this is the question of DK Goel, question number 9. Now we are going to solve this question. So the enter following transaction in cash book with cash and bank column. So you have to prepare two column cash book as the format is given here. First is date, particular, LF, cash, bank, date, particular, LF, cash and bank. One side is debit side and another side is credit side. Whatever money we receive will be recorded in debit side and whatever money goes out from the firm will be written on credit side. So the first transaction is on 1st April 2019, the balance of cash in hand 4,000 and overdraft at bank is 50,000. What is overdraft? When a person withdraw the money from the bank more than its deposit, then it is called overdraft. So the first transaction will be recorded in both side debit and credit because the overdraft is our credit and the balance of cash is on debit side. So 1st April 2019 balance BD, that is 4,000, and on the same date balance BD on credit side because overdraft is a liability is recorded in bank column. On 4th April invested further capital 1 lakh, out of which 60,000 deposited into bank. So remaining is in cash in hand. So it will be recorded on 4th April. Capital, you can write two capital, 40,000 that is remaining cash and 60,000 which is deposited into bank. On 5th, sold goods for cash 30,000 plus CGST and SGST 6% each. So on 30,000 rupees, we have to calculate 6% CGST and SGST. That is sales, because we sold goods and we receive money, it will be recorded in debit side. Sales, that is 30,000, and output GST, because the sales, on sales we receive output GST, so it will be recorded as output GST, CGST and SGST, that is 1800. How it is calculated? 30,000 into 6 upon 100, 6 3s are 18, that is 1800, right? Now purchase good 55,000 plus CGST and SGST 6% each and issue a check for the same. So this transaction will be recorded in bank column because the check is related to bank. So purchase goods, so it will be written in credit side, purchases 55 and input GST has to be paid on purchases, so it will be recorded 3,300 and SGST and IGST is from the different transactions. Now paid to Ram Vilas, our creditors 25,000, discount allowed by him is 1,000. So it will be recorded paid to Ram Vilas. So you have to record in this credit side Ram Vilas 25,000 and discount allowed by him will be not recorded in the books of cash book because cash book record only cash transactions. Next is rent paid 8,000, CGST, SGST 6% paid by check. so it will be recorded in bank column. Input GST because we paid rent. Okay. Office furniture purchased and check of 22,400 issued for the same, including CGST and SGST, that is 6%. So office furniture, you purchase office furniture, so it will be recorded on credit side 22,400. Okay, and it will be recorded in credit side, right? Now check for personal use, it will be recorded as a drawing, and collection from Atul. So you collect money from Atul and it will be check in hand. Okay, on 19th April 15,000 rupees in bank column. Another goods sold to Amit Raj, that is 80,000 plus CGST and SGST. So sold goods to Amit Raj, and Amit Raj paid 80,000 plus CGST and SGST. Okay, so 88,000 will be recorded in this. Here we do not enter the different entries of CGST, SGST. Okay, we combine here transaction of the sales because it will be recorded in bank column, and after that it can be deducted by a bank. Now receive check for 88 from Amit Raj in full settlement. Here the transaction is written, and the drew from the bank for the salary of office staff. So it will be written on credit side because salary paid, and drew from the bank. Paid salary to manager by check, so it will be recorded in manager salary. After recording all the transactions, we have to total the column of cash and bank differently. So cash column on debit side and cash column on credit side will be total, and balance will be, remaining balance will be written on that side where the balance is less than from debit or credit. So after totaling this side, we discover that the debit side is greater than credit side, and the remaining balance, that is 52,600, will be written as balance CD. Now after totaling the bank side on debit and credit side, we discover that the credit side is greater than debit side, so balance will be written in debit side. So by solving this question, we are able to understand how will we record the transaction in cash book, in cash and bank column. In next video, we solve some more question which is based on contra entry.